about doing a Master of Public Health at the University of Sydney? Honestly, that's a great choice. After all, 40 LP at the start of your career does sound good. But before you get your dream job, you need to get into the University of Sydney. Hello everyone and welcome back to Educade by Academically. Today we are going to speak about the application process for the MPH at the University of Sydney. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything. How to apply, when to apply, what it costs, and even how to avoid scams that target international students. So the MPH is one of the most in-demand degrees right now, and the University of Sydney is ranked among the top 20 universities in the world. Their program gives you access to top-notch resources and chance to really make a difference in global health. Alright, let's jump in. So what is the MPH degree? Well, the Master of Public Health is a 1.5-year full-time master's course in healthcare. Although you can go part-time if you need flexibility, it's a mix of science, leadership, and strategy all wrapped up into one powerhouse degree. Now, when can you apply? Well, there are 2 intakes every year in February and in August. Now, here's a little tip. Try to apply 6 to 8 weeks early. That gives enough time for your application to be processed and for your visa too. Now, as for deadlines, December 1st is for semester 1 and May 15th for semester 2. Don't wait till the last minute. To get in, you'll need a bachelor's degree, a decent GPA, and proof of English proficiency, something like an IELTS score of 7.0 overall. You'll also submit transcripts, your CV and statement of purpose, and your passport copy. Now let's talk about the fees here. So it's about 61,700 Australian dollars per year, which is roughly 33.9 lakhs INR. So yeah, it's a big investment, but there are multiple scholarships available and most students work part-time to cover their living expenses. Now here's the important part. Most people overlook how not to get rejected or scammed. So what are the common reasons for rejection? Well, mostly it is missing documents, low GPA or invalid English scores. Never send fake or edited transcripts. The university verifies everything, and to protect yourself from scams, only apply through the official University of Sydney website or authorized agents. Don't ever send money to a personal account or trust anyone promising a guaranteed admission. Being cautious will save you time and money. Now, at the end of the day, the MPH at the University of Sydney isn't just another degree. It's your ticket to a global public health career. If you want a smoother journey from application to orientation, Educade can help you at every step of the way. So go ahead, start your global education journey today. Connect with Educade and make it happen. And that's all for today. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care, happy studies, and bye-bye.